How to treat catarrh or fluid from your nose. Catarrh and cough, cold and catarrh. Anyhow you can put it, guys. So this video is for you. It's a quick one. Let's get right into it. Hi lovely people, how you all are doing? If today's your first time here, please do me a favor by subscribing, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss any of my video, guys. Have you joined my membership? If you have not, what are you waiting for? Please do anything you can to support my channel. If today is your ever first time here, my name is Miriam Lamze, a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, FCT. Okay guys, so guys, but presently your baby girl is not in Abuja. I'm here in Anambra, Oka, that is Anambra, Oka, serving my fatherland, obeying the clarion call, guys. So guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so. Okay, and let's get right into today's video. Yes. Okay guys, Miriam Lamze is here again with another mind-blowing tips on how you can treat catarrh and cough at the comfort of your home, or fluid from your nose. I don't know. Yes. Is it catarrh? Let's say this. Leave it in the comment section. Is it catarrh or fluid from your nose? Anyone, guys. Okay, leave the right comment, the right one. Yes, this is the correct pronunciation, the correct spelling. Sorry, this is the spelling is catarrh. I don't know, catarrh. Catarrh from your nose. So guys, so this video is for you. Grab anything grabbable. Catarrh is caused by cold, common cold. That is the common thing that I can say. It is caused by cold, like they say cold and catarrh. Okay, so Miriam Lamze is going to share few tips, just 2 tips with you on how you can treat that or get rid of it totally permanently in at the comfort of your home within 2 minutes. In fact, 2 minutes. Yes. So let's do it. So guys, the 2 ingredients that you need is lime juice and honey. So how are you going to do it? Just walk straight to your kitchen, get the lime juice and honey. Once you get it, if you take, like for example now, you take 5 tablespoons of lime juice. After you take 5 tablespoons, make sure you add 4 tablespoons of honey together to it and stir very well. Mix it very well. Then once you did that, you get that, take it in the morning, 1 spoon in the morning, 1 spoon in the evening, and 1 spoon in the night. That is 3 times daily. Morning, afternoon, and night. You are going to get a bountiful result. Make this syrup yourself, okay? And one thing about it, guys, make it fresh. Like the one you are going to take, make sure it finish that very day. Don't mix it and keep, okay? And guys, you are going to come back and thank me because I prescribe and God Almighty do the healing. Okay guys, so do this and you are going to get a bountiful result. Don't tell me it is not working. It is going to work like magic. It's a mind-blowing tips. Like I said, it is going to work like magic. How to treat catarrh at the comfort of your home. Guys, if you find this video very interesting, please give me a huge thumbs up. Like this video, guys. Support my channel, join my membership. Guys, share this video, share any of my videos. Support me in any way you can, guys. I love you and I will never take your love for granted. As for you sharing my video, as for those of you sharing my video out, God Almighty will continue to bless you. God will bless you and your family. Thank you so much, and I want you to know, if you are watching me, that I will never take your love for granted. You have a special place in my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Mwah. Thank you so much, okay? Till I come your way next time. Bye-bye.